Hi guys, how is it going? Welcome back to the Litefinance Global YouTube channel. As usual, it's my pleasure to be with you. Today, I'm going to discuss my top 2024 picks when it comes to crypto. It's going to be the first part, and specifically, I'm going to talk about my top picks when it comes to the RWA, Real World Asset Tokenized. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Fantastic opportunity for all Litefinance clients. New Year gifts from Litefinance are waiting for the winners. 5 stages. The first one ending 22nd of January, and we are talking about the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB. Second stage January 24th, iPad Pro. The third stage ending January 26th, MacBook Pro 16. Fourth stage ending January 29th, 50 prices of 50 each. And fifth stage ending January 31st, 50 prices of $10 each. More details you will find in the link you can find below. Okay, before we start, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave your comments below what your favorite real world assets project is. Well, let's start with what real world assets tokenized we might see, what kind of the problem here, thanks to the blockchain, we might solve, right? We are talking, for example, about the real estate tokenization, right? We are talking about public fixed income, public equities. We are talking about the private fixed income, emerging markets, securitization, commodities, energy. Everything here is probably or going to have the probability to be tokenized, and very few famous people already said that that's gonna be multi-trillion-dollar opportunity. So one of the most famous person is Blackrock's Fink, who said that Bitcoin ETFs are just the first step in the technological revolution of the finance. So it's a very important that this type of the people on the top of the very big corporation having a lot of money under management are going towards the blockchain, decentralization, and they are looking for the opportunities. They are talking about the possible opportunities. So he said that step one in the technological revolution in the financial market, it was the approval of the Bitcoin ETF. Tokenization of the real world asset such as gold has gained popularity among financial institutions who are cautious on crypto assets but keen on the underlying blockchain technology. Fink said he sees value in an Ether ETF, but that is make a stepping stone to the tokenization. Anyway, I'm sorry, as you can see, there are going to be plenty of opportunities, especially with the possibility to trade efficiently, huge transparency, and the possibility to trade 24 hours per day. Now, let's start to talk about my top picks. Top number one, let's move forward. Before I'm going to share my first top pick 2024 when it comes to the real world assets, I would like to strongly encourage you to do your own research. We have just few minutes to make it short and sweet, but there are plenty of smaller projects you might be interested. So let's start with the first one. It's going to be Chainlink. This picture is thanks to the Chainlink got from the Twitter. So Swift, Chainlink, and major banks and financial infrastructure giants successfully achieve multi-blockchain token transfer. So you know, my top pick when it comes to the RWA real world assets is going to be the Chainlink, or if you wish, the Link. Now I'm going to share my thoughts when it comes to the technical analysis. So that's the weekly chart of the link. After the long period of consolidation, finally the bulls found their ways to try to move higher and retest the supply around 18. Now we have a little bit of the pullback, so what I would like to see is to check if that consolidation is going to hold or if we are going to retest a little bit lower levels. So I would go with some attempt to scale in, doing two things. First thing first, I would look for the bottom of that consolidation, and we are talking about the levels close to 12.20, and the next would be half mid of the consolidation here, and we are talking about the levels close to 750. Some may say, oh, come on, we are not going to make it. That's why I'm talking about the consolidation and scaling in, because as long as we are below this particular supply over here around 18, we might see the deeper pullback. Once we are going to move through that level, the next one here is around 30. So if we are going to respect this consolidation move higher, so we are just with the half or 1/3 of the position, I would add on the retest, and the first target would be around 30, the second target around 37, and I would leave my bag for the further run. Let's check what is my top pick number 2. The second topic is a Maker. It's a decentralized finance project supporting many features and tools. This includes a fully fledged lending ecosystem enabling users to take out collateralized crypto loans. Now, every 2 hours, Maker is using the interest they getting from the UST bills to buy back 20,000 worth of its own token. Well, in the real world, it might be that soon, if the sentiment is going to go towards the Ethereum and the Maker is going the move, we might see Maker equal to Ethereum or even higher. As you can see, we've seen the Maker at the high, it was well above 6,000. Now, after huge move to the downside, after short period of consolidation over here, we've seen the move outside of that. So in that case, as of now, I'm looking for the possibility to buy the pullback into the bottom of that breakout candle. In that case, we are talking about the levels close to 1,400, maybe a little bit higher towards the psychological 1,500. And why? Because as of now, we are testing the supply, as you can see. So I'm not surprised we're seeing the pullback, a little bit of the pullback. But once we are going to break that level, all right, the next target is very close to 3,500, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm looking to buy the pullback, or I'm looking to buy after the upside break the pullback into the mid one. So still looking to buy below 2,000. Well, trying to save some time to give you some additional bonus with some small caps tips. The first one is a Mogul Club. It's a blockchain-based property investment platform. Users can invest in individual properties or whole portfolios starting at $100. The second one, Allow X, diversify your DeFi investments in real-world asset. Guys, I strongly encourage you to do your own research, do your own homework before risking real money. As usual, I wish you great next trading session. See you when it comes to the second part of my top 2024 picks when it comes to crypto.